Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log out from your Roblox account. So it's pretty simple. So this is for the browser version, but you can do it the same way in the app version or like the desktop version as well, alright? So for the browser version, you want to go to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox. And for the app, you just need to open the app. Once you open the browser, what you want to do is click on the little setting icon at the top right. Once you click on the setting icon at the bottom, you're going to see this option called the logout. Click on it. Once you do that, you will be logged out from your Roblox account. And as you guys can see, I have just been logged out from my Roblox account. So if you're using your mobile phone, it's pretty simple as well. Just find the setting icon, and inside the setting icon, you will see the Roblox logout icon. Click on the logout icon and you will be logged out. And for like the downloaded, desktop version of Roblox, the dashboard is going to be pretty much similar, which you just see. You can just follow the step which I just showed you, and you should be able to log out from your Roblox. So hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.